Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles right here in Mansfield, Texas. Here today to show you a really cool truck. It's a 2020 Ford F550. That's the Super Duty. It's powered by a 7.3 liter Godzilla V-8 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Makes for a really great combination. This is an XL model, but it's been upgraded to polished aluminum wheels. It's got the side Nerf steps, power windows, power mirrors, cruise control. It's a rubber matte interior, flat screen on the radio, non-smoker, very, very clean truck. And it's got a Hodges custom hauler bed on the back. And this bed is just a work of art. It's got a lot of tie downs, and each tie down point has an LED light. So at nighttime it looks like a aircraft landing strip. These wheel chocks, you can pull them out and move them into different positions. It's got a winch that's covered up. I don't think it's ever been used. LED lights. Real nice bed liner material. These tow hooks are welded in place, and the bed liner was put basically around them. These doors are really nice. They've got lights and they're lockable. There's two on each side. They also have interior lights. I'll show you where the switch is right here. And then you can turn on your loading lights on the back, put all your tie-down straps. Back in the day they used to use these to haul race cars to the track, but if you're a hobbyist and you want to haul your custom cars, Jeeps around town, this is a great truck to get the job done. You can also pull a trailer. It's got a receiver on the back. It's got slide out aluminum ramps, which are easier for an old guy like me to handle, but it's in really perfect shape. It's privately owned. It was kept in a climate controlled building, and the gentleman that owns it has a pretty large car collection. But it's been very well maintained, upgraded, and treated very easily. And the beauty of it being a 550 chassis, you can put some weight on it. So if you wanted to pull, say you wanted to put a four-wheel drive 1 ton on here, you could. It would handle the weight. But it's a beautiful truck. There were some stickers here. This will clean off. But there was magnetic stickers that just said not for hire. Obviously it wasn't a company truck for hire. But you can see the interior is spotless. The seats, the dash. Owner's manual is right there where it's supposed to be. But it's a beautiful truck. I'll take some pictures of the engine. But it's the Godzilla gas V8, 7.3 liter. Lots of towing capacity, lots of power. Just a pretty amazing combination on an F550 chassis. But if you have any questions, give us a call. The paint on it is really perfect. There's no scratches, no chips. You can see the LED cab lights up top. Windshield is good, tires are good, chrome bumpers. It's just really a beauty. Even the chassis underneath is very, very clean. These chassis usually outlive the bodies. Big axles, big brakes. And the underneath of this, let me crawl under there, I want to show you. They painted under the bed, which is kind of cool. It costs extra to do that, but it sure protects it from rust. But it's all painted underneath. It's kind of a satin finish, but it just preserves it to make it last a long time. LED lights all around, and I plan to take some pictures at night and show you I call it the landing strip. It's pretty cool. F550 Hodges ramp truck, available at Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Give us a call. We can ship it anywhere in the world. And what's cool about this, if you buy it, you can drive your car down to our dealership here in Texas, load it on the back and drive it home. Save some shipping costs. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails and hope to see you in our showroom soon.